Y'all, welcome back. So let's get into this wash day. Unfortunately, I was not recording the shampoo and deep conditioning step like I thought, so you were joining me at the twisting step. I am going to part my hair and it is pretty soaking wet. I'm going to use the Miche leave-in conditioner and twist up my hair. I am going to blow out my hair with the Revair and install mini twists, so I want my hair to have some long-lasting moisture. I'm going to blow dry my hair in these twists, so I'm just going to twist my hair up in the sections I'm going to blow dry. Ooh, look at that shine. If you're new here, my name is Deidre. I'm a content creator based out of Michigan. On my channel, you'll find information about natural hair and mom life, usually product reviews about mom things. So if you're interested in that, you go ahead and hit subscribe. Check me out on Insta. Send me a DM. We can talk. I love talking. Shout out to my husband for washing the kids so I can get my hair done. Today we're going to blow dry my hair. I've already washed, conditioned, and twisted up my hair. And then after that will be mini twist. Alright, we are using the Revair. If you've never heard of it, this is the wand part. I already have my hair in sections, the same sections that I've twisted in. I've already applied my leave-in. I'm going to apply heat protectant, so I probably will use medium heat. I have some clips here, and I will use a brush as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a mirror right here to my right that I'm going to be looking in for some parts of my hair. All right, got my brush. Section still is pretty. The heat protectant that I'm using is no longer in stock. I don't even think they make this anymore. Okay, for this section I use speed 6 and I used high heat. I did it once. I'm going to comb it out. I love how fast this thing is. I still got a little puffiness at my ends, so I'm gonna do it again. So the side on the left is after 1 pass, the side on the right is after 2 passes. I'm gonna braid this and then go about the rest of the hair. Now I've got 2 braids. So I'm going to finish the rest and come back when I have the front to do. We are done with everything except for these 2 sections. So this is pretty much it. Thanks for hanging out with me as I Revair my hair. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like this type of content. It really does help out my channel. Lets YouTube know you're into this type of thing. Catch you next time. Bye.